Have you been thinking about studying in Canada, but you don't know where to start from, and you're even worried about the tuition fees? Well, I've got you. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process of how you can find scholarship opportunities in Canada. Now, these opportunities are not only for master's students or PhD students. Even people going to do undergraduate courses can find scholarship opportunities from today's video. So ensure that you watch everything till the end. Don't skip it, because you will find the video very valuable. And I also have a tip for you. So I'm going to be telling you and showing you how you can filter the options to better suit you. So depending on your country of origin, you can filter the options to see the ones that you are eligible for, so you don't have to go through everything on the page. So stay tuned while we dive right into the video. So the first thing you want to do, because it's a step-by-step video, is going to be very thorough. You need to go on Google and you need to type cic.gc.ca and you click on enter. The first option you see there that it shows you immigration and citizenship, you click on that one. It will take you straight to the Government of Canada's website, their official website. Now on this page, you will get loads of information, a lot of information. Just like how you have the one for the UK, this is the one for Canada. If you want to specify on the language, if you want it to be changed to French, you can change it to French, but because it's English, we'll leave it as English. Now, if you go through the page, you can see on my application, visit, immigrate, study, work, citizenship, if you are applying for that one, if you want to settle in Canada, permanent residency, quite a lot of options on there. But what we are interested in today is the study. So we will click on study. So you can see that it tells you apply for or extend a study permit or student work permit. So let's click on that one and you can see all of the options it gives you. It tells you apply to study in Canada as an international student, extend your student permit, and find out about working while you study or after you graduate. All of this information is there for you to have a look, and you can see everything they have told you about preparing and applying for a study permit in Canada. What we will then go to do is click on the menu option here, which is on your left. Click on the drop down option and then you scroll all the way to money and finances. When you click on that, it will give you some more options to click on, but what we are interested in is the education funding, and you can see that is the fourth option here. So you click on that one and it takes you to this page. What we are looking for is the scholarship opportunity. So you have a lot of options under the services and information that the education funding page has. You would see the student lines of credit, scholarships, managing your budget as a student, student loans and bankruptcy, but that's not what we're interested in. Let's click on scholarships, which is what we are interested in. And under the scholarships page, it tells you undergraduate, graduate, doctoral and postdoctoral scholarships, awards and bursaries. You can see all of the options that they have. They have the Canada Graduate Scholarship for Masters. You have the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships. You have the Banting Postdoctoral Scholarships, Natural Sciences and Engineering Undergraduate Awards, Postdoctoral Awards as well. You have the Natural Sciences and Engineering Postgraduate Awards. You've got quite a number of options. You even have the international scholarships for Canadians and the international scholarships for non-Canadians. So if you are not a Canadian, you have an option here. So scholarships for international students who want to study in Canada. You also have the International Business Scholarships and International Development Graduate Student Awards, quite a number, which we are not going to go through everything. What I want to show us, let's click on the international scholarships for non-Canadian. So when you click on the international scholarship opportunities for non-Canadians, it takes you down to this page and it tells you looking for ways to fund your studies in Canada. you have a lot of scholarship opportunities to explore. You can see the Canada ASEAN scholarships and educational exchanges for development. You see the Canada-China Scholars Exchange programs, so people who are coming from one country to Canada. You have the Emerging Leaders in the Americas program, studying Canada scholarships. All of these options are there for you to peruse through. If you click on the Study in Canada scholarships, you have all of this one. So take, for example, the Study in Canada scholarship says the call for application for the 2025-2026 academic year is now open. The Canadian institutions must apply on behalf of eligible candidates by 18th of March 2025. So this opportunity is still open if this is what you are interested in. It has a lot of information here. They have told you about the eligibility criteria, candidates who can apply for this, and the ones who cannot apply, people who are not eligible. All of that is on this page. So please do have a look. They have told you what the scholarship covers. You can see if you are doing a college and undergraduate course, you can get up to 10,200 Canadian dollars. For graduates, you can do 10,200 Canadian dollars as well. All of this information is here. It tells you everything you need to know about eligible expenses. So selected candidate may use the scholarship fund towards visa and study work permits, airfare, so your flight tickets and everything, it will cover that as well. Health insurance, living expenses such as your accommodation, your utilities, your food, transportation within the country, your books and supplies, all of that would be sorted out through the scholarship funding that you would get. So all of this is written out here for you to read up more, get more information about it. I've also told you about the application process. So everything that you need to do, assign a program coordinator to complete applications. You have step 1 to step 9, which is good for you to have a read. If you want me to do a specific video about this and how to apply for admissions and scholarship, please do leave it in the comment section, and I'll be very happy to do further research on this and do a video for you. If there's one thing that has been stopping you from applying for scholarship opportunities, what is that? In this year 2025, our migration and japa and moving out of our comfort zone is going to be achieved. So I'm bringing all of these opportunities your way. What is stopping you from pursuing this? What is the barrier? What is limiting you from applying for such scholarship opportunities? I'd love to know in the comment section. So please do leave your comments in the comment section and tell us about it. Today's video is to tell you the step-by-step process of how you can find scholarships in Canada, because there are quite a number of scholarships that people are not aware of. Today's video is telling you about how you can go about finding the scholarship. I think I've used a lot of abouts in today's video. So this option is there, and like I said before, I will show you how you can filter the options to suit you specifically. So based on where you are, what it is that you want to do, you can filter that and you will get the scholarship opportunity that you are eligible for. So let's go back to the page. If you see on here, it tells you search for scholarships. Click on that and it will take you to this page. Now this is where you will go about filtering everything like we have said. So it says find international scholarship opportunities available for Canadian and international students, researchers and post-secondary institutions. So not just for masters alone. The reason why I'm bringing this opportunity your way is because quite a number of my viewers have been asking about bachelor's scholarship for people who want to do undergraduate courses, and I'm going to do a video specifically for them. So this opportunity is something that you would find helpful, so you can filter it to what you want to do. If you are from a specific country, you can choose that country and you will see the scholarship opportunities that are available for you. So now it tells you select your citizenship and non-Canadian, because we're not Canadians, and select your profile. So student or postdoctoral researcher, faculty or researcher, academic institution, because we're students, we'll click on that one. And then it says select your country or territory. So let's use Nigeria as an example. So let's go through the drop down menu, and Nigeria is there. Next thing you do is view scholarships. Now these are all of the scholarships that you can apply for as a Nigerian. So the programs you receive: the Banting Postdoctoral Fellowship, the Canadian Queen Elizabeth Scholarships. You've got all of the scholarships there for you to have a look through, and it will tell you who is funding the scholarship as well. So you can see the Government of Canada, Canadian Institute for Advanced Research, International Development Research Center. Now let's have a look into the CIHR Fellowship. Let's see what it gives us. So when you click on that one, it takes you to this page. So let's see what options they have available for us. Let's click on the training award programs. If you click on the CIHR option, the link there, it takes you to this page, and it is the Canadian Institute of Health Research. Now, this health research training award programs is not just for masters or PhD students, even those who want to do undergraduate courses. So for bachelors, this option is for you as well. So you can see that it says that the CIHR strives to ensure a strong foundation of future health research leaders and is committed to offering programs that increase the supply of highly qualified research personnel. The CIHR funds trainees at all levels: master's, doctoral, and postdoctoral in all health disciplines, including health professionals, so clinicians, dentists, nurses, physiotherapists, and other health professionals who are interested in pursuing health research. This funding support is provided in two ways: directly through training award programs and indirectly through grants and strategic initiatives. Now they have showed you everything you need to be aware of. So if you are an undergraduate student, you click on this one, which is giving us all of the information for undergraduate student research awards. This is on here. So if you are doing an undergraduate course, please peruse through all of this. It's giving us useful links that you can click on. For master students, you click on that option there, and you have everything that you can go through and see what is available for you. For those who are doctoral students, you have yours as well. Postdoctoral and degree researchers, you have yours as well. So there are various options for you to consider. Today's video is not talking about any specific scholarship opportunity in Canada. Rather, it is telling you about how you can find these scholarship opportunities in Canada. And as you can see, there are quite a number of scholarship opportunities for you to apply for. And not just for masters or PhD students, also for bachelor students. So if you want to do your undergraduate courses, this is something that you can apply for. I'd love to know where you are watching from and where you are viewing this video from. If you are from any of the countries, please do leave it in the comment section. And if you are going to be considering Canada, or if Canada is your dream country, leave it in the comment section. Tell me if you are going to be applying for scholarships in Canada, to study in Canada, or if you are looking to go work in Canada. If you are interested in any other country that you would want me to do a video on, please do leave your request in the comment section, and I'm very happy to do a video on it for you. I'm going to be doing a video next on a specific scholarship opportunity in Canada that you can get up to 100,000 Canadian dollars. I'm sure you don't want to miss out on that video. So ensure you smash on the subscribe button, because that way you would know when I put out a new content. That's if you turn on your post notification bell. So don't forget to turn on your post notification bell, because you will get notified when I put out such content. Like the video, share it to friends and family members, because as you are getting value, you would want people who are important to you to get value as well. So share the video to them and like the video as well. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I will see you on the next video. Keep on being amazing and have a wonderful day.